Okay, today we are going to be doing experiment 24, acid-base titrations. What do you have here, Aaron?
Got some distilled water.
How much?
That is 50 milliliters.
50 milliliters in a
50
250 milliliter beaker.
Okay, what are you going to do with that?
We are going to use a Piper bulb or Piper pump to Piper 10 milliliters of the HCl solution into distilled water in the 250 milliliter beaker. So we're going to put this over here. We need 250 of HCl. Yep. No, 50.
Of the what? What are we getting over here?
10 of it.
Of the HCl. Okay, so there's the hydrochloric acid. You're going to get 10 of that?
Yes.
Okay, go ahead. While you're doing that, I'm going to shut this off.
Hold on, no, don't shut.
Okay, so where are you going with that? Make sure you check and make sure it's going in the right place.
This thing.
Are you sure it goes in there? Read.
Use a pipette bulber. Where's the pipette?
Into the distilled water. Put 10 milliliters into the distilled water. So go ahead and pour that into the distilled water.
What's a pipette bulbit?
Okay, now you've got your little acid solution. All right, now move on. What's next?
Use a pipette pump to Piper 10 milliliters.
You already did that.
Okay. Place the beaker on a magnetic stir and add a stirring bar.
No, forget that.
Give me a stirring rod.
We're not going to stir it up.
Stirring rod.
We're not
Oh,
doing
okay.
that.
Use a utility.
Go to the sodium hydroxide.
Here, we need a utility clamp. Put that in there.
Go to the sodium hydroxide where you're going to get 60 milliliters of 0.1 molar sodium hydroxide out of one of these bottles. Go ahead. Do that. Put it into your barrette right there. Put it into that barrette and be ready to go.
Where does it say that?
All right.
2.5?
Add enough to go to 2.5.
5?
So it'll be at 51.
Yep. And you're going to keep track of how much you add. So get it up to 2.5.
You gotta make sure you know how much you're adding.
You might have to stir a little bit too.
You have a stirring rod?
Nah,
This'll work.
Are you adding?
I'm working on it.
You might want to stir a little bit.
Well, that's a lot.
Is the pH changing?
Yeah, it will when you stir it. Now it's going.
To 2.5, right?
Ross, here's this.
Add enough to get to 2.5. It's not there yet. It's not there. 2.5.
Gotta stir it.
Oh, it's there. It's definitely gonna get there. Come on, get there, get there, get there.
Come on.
Another couple drops.
Oh, it's there, it's there.
Oh, well, maybe. Okay, how much did you add? Because he's got to type in volume.
Looks like 2.5.
2.5, he says. Okay, go up to the next one at 2.65. And you're going to keep doing that until we get to 3.5. Are you adding some?
He did.
Because our pH hasn't changed.
He hasn't stirred it. Ross, that's
Ho, ho, ho! You went a little crazy.
That's what I said.
You're supposed to be 2.65. You're at 2.76. How much? What's the volume?
4.5.
4.5.
So we added
okay.
2. So we added 2.
Is that what? Is
We
that
had
it?
2.5 before, so we added 2.
Yeah, 2. Yes.
You have to collect it first.
Okay, go to the next one. Point
Still put 4.
2.95. Go point 2.95.
Can I change that?
Yeah.
What? Not 4.5.
Well, that's how much we've added total. That's what
Total. We don't want total.
Yeah, you do.
Does it say total?
Definitely want total. It's a running thing. Otherwise, your graph's going to be way off, Cerny.
Okay, go. So we're at 2.8.
Yeah, we do want
We're at
total.
2.79.
Okay, go up to 2.95 and stir occasionally.
2.95. Okay.
You're gonna start right.
Oh, well, keep going a little. Oh, right. Good enough. What did you add?
It's at 5.5.
So we added 1. No, so
So
5.
put 5.5. Okay, now go to 3.10.
Uh-oh.
What?
Okay, so we gotta go up to 6.
Don't get carried away.
Yeah, You gonna stir?
You're going to stir it.
Ross,
You
why
went
do you
too
add so
far.
much? It's gonna shoot. Oh my gosh.
You didn't tell me to stir it.
He just told you to stir it.
After
Oh.
3.32. You always stir it. 3.32.
It's hard
So
to
what's
stir
it at?
How much did you add?
What's it at?
You screwed it up, I think.
Well, now it's at 6.5.
Okay.
So now we added.
So now we got to go to 3.5. So don't hardly add any. 3.5.
Why do
Do
you
not
add so-
a little bit and stir. Drop by drop and stir.
You said 0.5?
3.5.
We got a problem now.
Stir. No, stir with this.
I'm stirring.
Ho ho.
I barely added
Oh, did
any.
it say me?
Exactly. Exactly. Didn't I say drop by drop? How much did you
Hey,
add?
You can't make it go
How?
drop by drop.
Read. Just read. Don't argue. Just read.
This is what you're making?
What's that?
Like, let's see, what we have before?
It's 5.5.
Sorry. Ours
We had 6.5 before.
What?
Like 6.4 now.
Nothing's coming
No,
out?
it's not
Or
6.4.
Then get another one.
Yeah, 6.6, yeah.
What?
I feel like the answer is yes.
Okay. Now it says add drop by drop.
Pretty far.
Yeah, you missed a fun day of PE. Like, hockey.
One drop increment. Increment.
Times, a few times.
So added one drop and then
New one of those.
stir.
Well,
See, that's a drop, Ross.
Okay.
Stir.
Yeah. See what you get.
We're at 6.7. That's
3.67.
Yeah, 3.67.
so
Okay. How much did you add? What's one drop worth?
you're gonna do.
Apparently like nothing, because it's still at the same.
Well,
We'll say 6.61.
let's go add well, let's see. Let's add 2/10. What is 2/10?
210, 6.8. That'd be 6.8.
Wouldn't you mean 200ths?
No, I mean 2/10 of that. Add another drop
We're gonna see if this even works.
and stir.
Cerny, I think we're doing this wrong.
I know we did it wrong.
Well, you can always watch this
What
one.
do I do with this?
Okay,
It's
stir
about
it.
to fall, the second drop.
No, it's not. It's not gonna.
Stir. Okay, so it went to 3.74 with 3.755
going
with
nuts.
one drop. Okay, so what does one drop equal to? Read it.
What'd you do?
It's about 0.2. The drop will be about 0.2. So add 0.2.
6.8.
Your brother got what?
Okay, yeah. All right. Go, another drop. Another drop. Another drop.
I want him to shake it off.
Put that in there now.
Okay, I think these guys are getting the gist of this. Now I'm going to stop while you go drop by drop.
Definitely 2 drops.
Okay, we're back here and they're at 9.
Trump 2016.
Make America great
Still
again.
adding stuff, and let's look at our data.
Hey, look
I'm
at
gonna
that.
have to send that data to me.
Oh, am I?
Screenshot.
Well, am I getting bonus points?
Maybe you'll get a 1/10 of a
Oh,
point.
pff, I'm not sending it
I'll
to
give
you.
you. I'll add bonus points on one drop at a time.
One drop at a time. So I'm gonna drop per thing.
So it should be leveling out and going this way here fairly soon.
If I keep pouring, you ain't getting many bonus points.
Okay, we've finished with our data collection. The pH ended at 11.71.
2 days later.
Thanks, Jacob. You did it all. Thanks, Cerny.
And a total of 15.5 milliliters added of the sodium hydroxide.
Trump 2016.
Okay, so we'll have that data available in Canvas for you to look at.
Says who?